You ready to fire up the core and get the heart rate going? Let's get after it. This is the skier swing. Okay, we've got 2 dumbbells. What we need to set up first is a hip hinge. Okay, knees are soft, hips are hinging, back is flat, head, shoulders, hips. Okay, knees are soft and floating. We're at the bottom, you should feel a little stretch in the hamstring, and then we're standing to the top. Core is set, full hip extension, and glutes on. Okay, we're not swinging and swaying through your back. Okay, so here we go. Grab the dumbbells, and we're going to hinge at the hips. Find that bottom, set up there, pull the dumbbells back behind us, then we're going to pull them to the top, stop on a dime at about head height, and then pull them back down. Okay, top, bottom, top, bottom. It's a very strict and rigid movement. Okay, we're not flowing, we're not going like a kettlebell swing. We're going to be sticking these moves at the top and the bottom, hinging at the hips, and pulling these weights up and down. Okay, so let me show you full speed, and you can get after it and get your heart rate and core going. When we slam on the brakes at the top and the bottom, that's where the core really gets lit up. So make sure we're not drifting or we're not drifting at each end. Slam on the brakes, that core is doing that work. Okay, so here we go, real time, and okay, core, hammies, glutes, heart rate, boom, get up, get after it. We'll see you soon.